Today I will show you how to reduce background noise from your audio using Audacity. First, make sure you have your audio clip loaded in Audacity.
If you've recorded something in Audacity and notice unwanted background noise, you can clean it up pretty easily.
Select the Selection tool, then look at your audio waveform. Find a section where the speaker is silent and you can only hear the background noise. Use your mouse to highlight that section. Now go to the top menu bar and click on Effects. Hover over Noise Removal and Repair, then click on Noise Reduction. In the window that opens, click on Get Noise Profile. This tells Audacity what part of the audio is just noise. Next, open the same noise reduction window again. Start increasing the noise reduction value. You can click on Preview to hear the result. Keep adjusting until you no longer hear the background noise. Once you are happy, click OK. Now highlight your entire audio clip. Go back to Effects and click on Repeat Noise Reduction. This applies the same settings across the whole clip.
If you've recorded something in Audacity and notice unwanted background noise, you can clean it up pretty easily.
That is how you remove background noise in Audacity.